With our Netbell NTG all-in-one kit, you'll receive your Netbell NTG and amplifier, power supplies for both, an RCA cable, an Ethernet cable, and 2 speakers, as well as a speaker wire to connect. Wiring up the Netbell NTG to your power supply, ensuring that it is unplugged, take the red positive lead and screw it into the 12-volt terminal. Then take the black ground lead off the power supply and plug it into the ground terminal. Now for the RCA cable, wiring into the line out terminal of the Netbell NTG, the white wire is the right hand side and the red wire is the left hand side. So we'll start by wiring in the ground connection of the left hand side. Following with the red wire for the left hand side. And then we'll wire in the ground and white wire for the right hand side. Checking to make sure all of our connections are secure. Now with our 2 RCA connectors for our audio input of our amplifier, we'll take the red one and plug in the left hand side, the white one and plug it into the right hand side. Then we'll plug in the power supply to the amplifier and not plug it in just yet. So to hook up our speakers, we're going to hook them up in a mono and series connection. To do this, we'll take the white stripe speaker wire, which denotes its negative, plug it into the negative terminal of one speaker, and the positive side into the positive side of the other speaker, and then we'll take another single speaker wire and connect the two. Then we'll take the 2 ends and plug it into a negative side for the white stripe of one output and the positive side into the positive side of that same output. Now that we have everything wired to the speakers and the amplifier, we're going to plug in the Ethernet cable and then power everything up. Now that we have everything powered on and wired up, we can test to see if we can play a sound file. And once we verify that it works, we can go ahead and install the system.